Let's make a foie and hazelnut macaron. First, mix your hazelnuts with the icing sugar and blend it into a fine powder. Then transfer it into a bowl and mix it with the egg white till you get a smooth and thick paste. After that, heat up the water and the sugar till it's 118 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, start beating the egg whites till fluffy. Then add the hot sugar and beat it till it's at room temperature. Add the meringue to the hazelnut paste and gently fold this together. Now pipe it in small rounds on a silicone sheet, sprinkle some flaky salt and chopped hazelnuts on top, and bake it at 150 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, bring your cream and salt to a boil. Then add the white chocolate and the goose liver. Emulsify this, put it through a fine sieve, and let it set in your fridge. And then the macarons are ready to be served. Find the full recipe on my Granda account, Shield's Cooking.